big shooting stars right now. That's two fast, high-performance canopies made by Performance Designs. They're 79 square feet each, which means they're coming in hot. Those canopies are small.
Those are parachuters right there. All-female parachute team.
It is. It's like actually a kid's sheet. The size canopy I like to fly when I'm wingsuiting, it's a pillowcase. 120 square feet, so that's half of that. It is more like a pillowcase. Here they are lighting up the skies, making some beautiful artwork with their pyrotechnics. They're both, Sharon Pilcher has about, 13,000 skydives, as does Allison Reyes. She's also a professional base jumper. She came to the bridge in Idaho and jumped as an elf for Christmas one year with us. And yeah, they are both on the Performance Designs team, rocking and rolling. Some of the best canopies ever made right there. They're also both sponsored by Vigil, which is like a safety equipment that we use.